Hi guys, my name is Baban. Welcome to gurgstyle. In this video I'm going to be doing the Wahl Travel shaver unboxing. Now this has been on the market for quite some while, but not many barbers know about it. And the first time I saw it was by the Spiritual Barber and Harry from Ego Barbers. In one of the Chris Bosio videos I saw him using these. They're very small and very powerful. There you go, there's your manuals that comes with the shaver. And I'm going to be showing you them in action by Harry and the Spiritual Barber, both top quality barbers. Spiritual Barber is one of those barbers that actually teaches you barbering, lots of tips, and Harry, we know, great barber. That's it. That's the charger that comes with it. You get your extra foils, so that's the extra foil head, and there you go, it's a brush. So it's nice that they actually give you some spares, so just in case anything happens to the current ones. See, very small, very comfortable in the hand. Like that, comes with a lid as well. Just keeps you protected. So hence travel, because you're going to be traveling a lot with it. You need a lid to protect the foils. So you can see. Sound test.
What in the world is that?
Yeah, little foils. You go into the corners before you do the
They're pretty impressive, aren't they?
and they're good as well.